Let's talk about this parade. I mean, how long has it been around?
We started it off in 2023. That year, my husband, Greg Atkinson, and our good friend, Dennis Reed, and I sat down and decided that this is something we needed. And so we approached the town and said, this is what we want to do. And they were on board with it. So we started planning. And the first year we had 20 tractors. And the second year, which was last year, we had just over 30. Wow. And we're on track for about 40 this year, hopefully.
Oh my goodness. So what was that conversation like with the city when you told them, hey, look, we're thinking this could be fun?
They were hesitant at first a little bit. They weren't sure if they would get the participation because, with road salt and everything like that, and a lot of these tractors are worth, north of $200,000. Yeah. So, you don't want to put that on salt, but a lot of guys are willing to come out and do it because it's good community spirit.
Wow, no, that's awesome. And for anyone that hasn't heard of it, can you just give me the elevator pitch? What is it?
So the key is the tractors are lit up. That is the requirement that we have with all of our drivers. As many lights as possible, add some more. And so we all meet. This year we're meeting at the Wyoming Legion. We leave right at 6 o'clock. There's a lineup. We go from, my tractor's the lead tractor so that we can navigate through the parade successfully. Then we go from smallest tractor up to the biggest. And we've got potentially this year maybe even a combine coming into it. So it's huge.
Wow.
So please clear the streets. You don't want to be in the way. We have, last year we had a big sprayer there. We had all kinds of machinery that a lot of times people don't get to see. The map is on our Facebook page, but we're going to start off at the Legion and we're going to hang a right on Toronto Street. We're going to get to Confed, we're going to go left. And then at Confed, we go left on Broadway and then all through town, turn right on Main Street, and we end up in the fairgrounds.